it's Wyf CaityB back in the building with another video, and I'm here with Mama B as always. Still on our New Zealand trip, but we're at Dickies at the moment. Gonna see if, yeah, today's Monday the 3rd, or second day, basically our second day here in New Zealand. I feel like it's been like a week already because we've done so much and people are really slow here compared to ours. But yeah, so we're just gonna get some gear.
Third day.
No, but we came on
Saturday.
Sunday, oh Monday, yeah, third day. Sorry guys, I just brought it. So yeah, just gonna get some gear at Dickies if there's anything that I like and if the prices are pretty reasonable.
The price is right.
Yeah. And the bank account's right. Okay, so let's go check it out, guys. Oh, here we go. I'm vlogging on my phone, can't be stuck grabbing the camera out. It says sales, but I better see like 10 bucks or something. No bags, no hoodies. Shoplifters, okay, cool. As long as we're allowed cameras. Oh, that's pretty cool. Oh my goodness. Not the little bags that all the hood rats get. I'm mainly looking for work clothes too. Oh, not the jumpsuits. It's pretty cool. Thank you.
Have a good day. Hope you enjoy your Dickies.
Oh, for sure, for sure. See ya.
Take care.
Yo, got my stuff there. Pretty clean. Thank you, Mama.
Okay, well,
Yeah. So this is the store. Come check it out. Dickies will always have your average prices like 45 and all that jazz. Yo, when I get to Oz, you're gonna see me wearing Dickies every 5 seconds. You know what I'm saying? Every day. I want to try and keep these for as long as I can without wearing it. I don't want to wear them out. Yeah, so guys, we're just gonna head to Otahuhu shopping center, like a shopping area, get some flowers. My Uber driver's gonna take me there, and then we're gonna head to the cemetery to visit Nana and Grandpa, especially for Father's Day. It was yesterday on Sunday. Today is September the 2nd, Monday. It's after 11.
We would have gone yesterday, but can you imagine? It will be packed as.
Yeah. So you already know.
I'm not very good around
Yeah. So look, there's Otahuhu train station. It's so fancy, guys. I can't even deal. I think we went past this before. Damn. What? Jane? Oh my gosh, there's a new building too. What
We
the?
didn't know before we left.
Yeah.
I think they were just starting.
Yep. Yeah. So guys, a lot of things have changed. When I came last year, I didn't get to see too much.
This is the back. These are old streets of Otahuhu.
Yeah. See, obviously, you know, there'll be a lot of small businesses here.
80% of businesses in New Zealand are small.
Yeah. It's a fun fact for you guys. Oh my gosh, guys, that music shop there, I used to play piano there. Oh, music could now. Sorry then. It is a good place, yeah. That's why I used to do piano. Oh, Brotherhood Inc. This is the one Philip was talking about. I asked him where's a good place to get your tattoo. So I'm guessing this is a good place, guys, if you're looking for a place to do your tats. Me and my friends used to always come out here after school and hang out. Not bad.
Good size.
Vietnamese cafes over there.
No, hell no, I hate it.
Oh my gosh, I love Vietnamese cafe, guys.
No.
Good quality soups. Oh, spare ribs on rice. They're freaking spring rolls and yeah, they're spring rolls. Oh, the dipper's changed. Spring rolls and lettuce. It's right over there, guys, if you're looking for a good Vietnamese place to eat at. Vietnamese cafe. Should be some there somewhere. And then if you finish eating, there's like games there. Oh, Pass. I haven't seen that school in ages. Yeah, Vietnamese cafe. And then there's another Vietnamese thing.
Carl's Jr.'s closed.
Yeah, that's been closed for ages.
Was it?
Last time I came, I saw it was closed.
Why? Not selling?
Yeah, I think it's too expensive for people here.
Probably moved to Melbourne.
I think it's moved to Melbourne.
They can't compete with cheap.
Yeah,
McDonald's.
Cheap, good quality food, yeah. And you have all these places. It's a good place to get big size clothes. Big man clothes. We used to laugh at
ZXL.
Some flowers, yeah. I'm a collie, guys. A collie uniform. Houses. Fake gungers and stuff. Oh, orange.
What were the flowers like with?
So guys, we just got our flowers for the cemetery. Let's go. Lilies? Yeah, they just look pretty, guys. Nice, simple, gorgeous.
Do you want to get something to eat?
Yeah. Say no more, you just said my favorite word. To eat at the cemetery. Thank you.
And scissors.
Yep. Well, I guess we're gonna eat now. Oh, I'm trying to die here. See, now I know why we always used to cross the road because people here drive really slow. Whereas back in Aussie, you gotta make sure you're Usain Bolt or something because you'll get knocked the hell out. This comes to this $2 shopping.
Can we take two just in case? This one and this one.
Got all the utensils you need, guys. Just take this one. The famous bobby pins. People used to steal these. Let's eat now. I'm gonna go to the bakery that's up there. We used to sort of go there sometimes, eh? Ain't nobody eating Macca's while we're here, boy. This has ladies at Macca's. Down. Yeah, this been closing down for ages now. Hey.
2 years.
Yeah. 2-3 years now. No jokes.
Can we do how they did this sale? Close it down.
Yep.
And we still open it.
Yeah. Ah. Love it good. Hey. Oh. It's all usually what it's like in Otahuhu and Otahuhu. It's just really lively with like a lot of music and stuff like that. That's what I live for. Oh my goodness. Got Addy.
You're not a baby.
Oh, there's chicken there too. Eh? Come back after. Oh, it might be the next one over. Oh, no jokes. Let's go.
You're gonna go towards Papatoetoe Old Pep. Some good places there.
Yeah.
We'll go to Old Pep.
Yep.
Drive through there.
Have a
And go past to where. Oh, what?
Yes.
You know,
Good old
these
places. Yeah.
Where we stayed.
Yeah. Used to get my branded shoes from guys. Runny shoes. I'm here to get some food and then head to the cemetery. Chill with the old grandparents, mom's parents.
Daddy-o and mommy-o.
Daddy-o and mom. Good old Toby's, guys. Oh my gosh, I haven't been to Toby's in a long time. Are you ready to eat some good fish and chips, guys?
Fish and chips. Fish and chips.
Fish and chips. Yup. I'll see you guys in there. You guys have to check this place out if you guys come here. Fish. The fish are there, guys. So you can tell it's fresh. So guys, we're gonna get number 7. We're gonna get hot dogs. We're gonna get cheeseburgers and moldy bread. Yeah. we just seen a crack right now, but yeah, guys. So
you always see cracks.
Yeah, it's like I attracted, man. Oh. So we just finished eating at Toby's, guys. Yeah, so now we're gonna head to the cemetery. All full, all content, all Tanika cars. You know what I'm saying? Repco. I'm just saying what's around. So passing Repco. This car's pretty bad, eh? Cause not bad. Yeah. Head to the cemetery. Just chill with the oldies. And see where else they take us. You know what I'm saying? And the lecture begins, guys. You better be ready, because I can't speak Samoan.
Record it so everyone can hear what my arms is like.
Yeah. The audacity of us coming here. Go inside. So she doesn't see us. Just come down with us all the way. Amazing! I feel like it's not going to be her that opens it. Hello.
Hi.
Oh,
Smiley.
hello, Auntie.
Hi.
Hello.
We come to see you.
Looks like she's gonna kill us. Ah, Auntie. She didn't recognize me, guys. Fancy? Yeah, she looked at me like, what the heck is this nigga coming in my house recording me? She don't recognize me.
When I walked in, I said, hello. But she didn't sound very trusting.
Yeah. And she was just staring at me, wondering.
Oh, shucks, what's for dinner?
I love her hugs and kisses, man.
Yeah.
I wish my salmon was good. Sitting there like a statue, like.
Sitting there fake, you're fake. Didn't even know what she's doing.
And I did, like, actually understood. I just didn't know how. Like in my head, if my replies sounded good, but then obviously in my life will be like, what? Are you even speaking Samoan, bro? Yo, now look at this view, guys. New Zealand, you are a beauty. Probably think I'm weird right now. Let's go for a walk. Show you guys the way, the truth, the life. Let's go for a run, guys. Got the GoPro down there. I'm dying. Whew. 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 Huh. Longest run I've had in my life. Guys, this trip so far has just been wonderful, man. Like, sorry. It's just been amazing. I need to go right up top of the hill so you guys can see. I don't know. It seems so surreal. I just want to cry. Feels good to be home though. Like, I know my mom's so happy. She's like so content, I guess. She's gonna come up the hill with the GoPro, I guess. There's Mama Bit. You guys can probably see her down there by the car. My GoPro, like on one of those things. I better be fast and run and get it if someone else comes. And then we got the sky tower over there. And here we are at Roskill. Whew. What a beauty. Now, do you see anywhere that has dry land, guys? No dry land around.